Keep your eyes open, team. Readings are spiking.
Is it, Doctor?
Something big and moving fast. Incredible and terrifying.
Keep low. Don't move.
They're not just about Kong. There's another massive energy signature, deeper in.
What in God's name is that?
Can't be real!
Everyone, fall back! Now!
Tearing itself apart! Kai, is there any way out of this?
Ancient passage. Dangerous.
Your step! This whole thing could go!
Keep moving. No looking back.
Kong's injured. This...
We need to go. Now! The longer they fight, the more unstable this island gets. Follow close. One wrong step.
The tremors are getting worse!
Keep moving. Faster.
The air here is cleaner. We're deep enough.
The heart of the island.
Symbols, they depict a prophecy. Two titans, born of earth and fire, battling for supremacy.
See? I'm more worried about reality breaking apart up top.
The balance broken. Fire consumes all.
It shows the island itself, consuming both. If they continue.
There is a way to calm the fire, but it requires a sacrifice.
Sacrifice? What are you talking about, Kai?
What kind of sacrifice?
It's reaching critical mass. We have to do something.
Whatever it is, Kai, if it saves the island, let's do it.
The ancestors will guide us.
Ancient spirits, heed our call. Calm the rage of fire and earth.
Incredible.
It's working! The energy readings are stabilizing.
It is done. For now.
No, it's quiet.
For the first time in hours.
Path to surface is clear. For now.
There. It's clear.
Bravo 6, do you copy? Jax.
This is Jax.
We're clear.
Unbelievable. They stopped.
For now, let's not push our luck.
The balance is restored. For a time.
Beacon 1, we are firm on the LZ.
Roger that. Moving to the ramp.
Let's get out of here!
Go in peace, outsiders!
From that chamber, it's beyond anything we could have imagined.
Some things are better left undisturbed, Doctor.
They will awaken again. And the balance will be tested.